Want to improve your English without stress, long study hours, or boring grammar books? Let me tell you how I did it, just by listening. My name is John, and I used to hate learning English. I tried so many things: grammar books, vocabulary lists, even long YouTube lectures. But nothing worked for me. It was always boring, and I would forget everything the next day. Then, something changed. One evening I found a podcast, just simple English conversations. The speakers talked slowly and they used real, everyday words. I thought, okay, I'll try this for 1 week. So I listened on my way to work, while I cooked dinner, and even when I was cleaning the house. And guess what? After 1 week, I felt something different. I wasn't reading, I wasn't memorizing, but somehow I was learning. Words started to sound familiar. I began to understand whole sentences without translating. After 1 month, I could follow full conversations. After 3 months, I started speaking with confidence. The best part? I didn't feel stressed anymore. I wasn't afraid of mistakes. I was learning naturally, just by listening. So, if you're like me, tired of grammar rules and boring textbooks, try this. Listen every day, even just 10 minutes. Use slow English content. Don't stop if you don't understand everything. Keep going. Let your brain absorb the language. You don't have to be perfect. You don't even have to speak right away. Just listen. Every day. Like I did. Listening changed my English. And maybe it can change yours too. If this story helped you, and you want more easy English like this, make sure to subscribe. New stories and tips every week, made just for learners like you.